First, use a T20 bit to remove the 7 screws holding the decorative cover assembly. Remove the decorative cover assembly and unplug the 2 connectors. Remove the right side assembly. Use a T20 bit to remove the 4 tapping screws securing the fan baffle and then remove it. Continue to use a T20 bit to remove the 6 tapping screws securing the housing assembly and then remove the top half of the cover. Unplug the 4 connectors that connect to the control electric assembly. One of them is connected to the handle part. Use a T20 bit to remove the 8 tapping screws holding the handle assembly. Remove the connection with the blower tube and unplug the connector. Then unplug the remaining 2 yellow connectors. Remove the connector assembly by unscrewing its 2 tapping screws using the PH1 bit. The remaining head section is mainly the duct set and control electric assembly. And the duct set can also be replaced by easily removing the front end parts according to the video. Assembling the new duct set with front end parts and bottom cover. Hold the wires in the corresponding wire traps and plug in the 2 connectors. When installing the bellows seal assembly and duct set, pay attention to aligning the slots for insertion. Secure the connector assembly by using the PH1 bit and screws. Let's go back to the handle assembly. Route the wire in the wire traps and plug the connector in. Next, align the holes in the handle assembly with the blower tube holes and install them. Attach the cover and tighten the 8 screws with a T20 to complete the installation. And then, plug the connectors that connect to the control electric assembly. Install the Ego label plate. Make sure that the wires are tucked in and secure to avoid pinching by the top cover. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 6 tapping screws on the housing assembly. Align the fan baffle and use a T20 bit to secure the 4 screws. Next, put the blower tube back in place. Plug the 2 connectors and route all the wires in the wire traps. Finally, install the decorative cover assembly and use a T20 bit to tighten it with the 7 screws.